name is Wendy Odom, and I'm Director of Interior Design at ADM Group.
Hi, my name is Scott Waltberg. I'm Principal and Director of Design at ADM Group.
As a graduate of Tolleson High School, it was a huge honor for me to be a part of the design team. The design of the new buildings and the modifications to the existing Wolver Den were very important to me. Our team worked hard to have a cohesive design on all the new buildings, tying them into the existing campus and carrying a concept from the exterior into the interior of each new building. Our design concept was based on the letter T. T for tradition, T for Tolleson, T for T-Town. This is especially noticeable on the Wolver Den, which has a giant T in the center of the structure, as well as solar shades that cast a T pattern in sunlight across the ground throughout the day.
When it came to the design of the Performing Arts Center, it incorporated a sophisticated civic center architecture along Van Buren Street. This included a modern version of the double columns reflecting the original design of Old Main. Brise-Soleils, a modernized glass assembly, and overlapping materials of integral colored block and metal panels create the front facades and complement Old Main. As the building transitions south onto the campus, it transitions into a state-of-the-art educational facility that ties back into the current school architecture.
We're very excited to have this new addition to our campus. Tolleson is one of the original high schools here in the state of Arizona, so the old auditorium was built in 1927, so you can imagine the upgrades that we now have in this beautiful new Performing Arts Center.
I'd like to start off by thanking the voters for allowing us to be part of such a special project here at Tolleson Union, and also the design team, ADM Group, Chase Building Team, and our own Right-Hand Construction. Lastly, I'd like to thank Superintendent Gutierrez and her executive team for allowing us to be part of these beautiful projects.
For us, me and personally, 2008, this was our first school project as a construction company, and for us to be here today celebrating this amazing improvement to this campus, we just can't say thank you enough for letting us be a part of the Tolleson community. Go Wolverines! Woo!
From the entire team at ADM Group, thank you.
To the district and the governing board for the opportunity to work on these magnificent projects.
Thanks to our constituents for voting for our bonds and overrides. Thanks to ADM Group, our architectural firm who designed such beautiful facilities for us. To Chase Construction Team and Right-Hand Construction Team for bringing it all to fruition. And with all of that, we celebrate, and we will celebrate for many, many years to come.